I just got back from M.A.C. I actually went to get my brows done, trimmed and plucked. Yeah, it's always so troublesome to do it myself because I'm in glasses and all, so I always have my brows done at the M.A.C counter. But that's aside. What happened is there was a new what happened was that there's a new collection and I was there to grab it, and it's called Oh Sweetie. It's very colorful, 15 shades of lip glosses. It's not your usual lip gloss. This is a bit more creamy, moussey and opaque, and there are like plethora of colors. You will fall in love with it. It's like rainbow. I wish I could get them more. So I only managed to get 5 because they are more of the unique shades, colors that are not really seen outside, like other brands where you can find something similar. And what's special is that they are all iridescent, shimmery colors and candy packed, and also dessert fragrance. As in like they all smell very amazing. And so these are the lip colors, the packaging. This is it. This is the packaging, and this is the lip color. Can you see? It's like so shimmery. And as usual, you of course have the lip brush tip. So I'm going to swatch the 5 colors that I have, show it to you, and do stay tuned all the way to the back because there's a little trick on these lip colors and I'll show it to you how. So I've got my early tone makeup going on. I think it will go well with all the colorful lip glosses. I can't wait to try them on, so let's get on with it. Okay, so I have these 5 shades here. I'm super stoked. I don't know which one to try. Maybe we'll start with the lighter colors first. It will be the sugar cookies. So that's how the packaging look like, and this is how the lip gloss look like. Let me get my mirror. It smells a bit like candy. It's called sugar cookies. It does remind me of frosting on cakes, and yeah, so it's actually this frosted shade here. It goes well with much heavier eye makeup, I think. But I really love this shade. I think a lot of the girls would be snagging up this shade. And then we'll go on to the next color. So the next color is Strawberry Mousse. This is it. It's a lovely coral shade that has gold shimmers in it. I was told this is a really hot color, so let me try it out. This smells like watermelon. Okay, so this is the shade. What's it called again? Strawberry Mousse. Weirdly, it smells a little bit like watermelon more than strawberry, but can you see the shade? Can you see the glimmer, that gold glimmer as I move around? It's very iridescent. I love it a lot. Okay, it tastes nothing actually. I'm just wondering whether does it taste like strawberry mousse. Anyway, yes, it is very creamy. It's mousse kind of feeling. This shade does require a few more layers to apply on to get the full opacity, but I think it goes very well with nude earthy color tone makeup. And I'll go on and review the other color. And then the next one is this orangey tone one, which is called Banana Muffins. This is it. It's a very special orange that not much people will dare to use, but I fell in love with it because it had like gold glimmer in it as well. Let's try it on. It does smell like banana. Why is it not in yellow? Banana, right? Okay, so this is Banana Muffins. I'm expecting it to be in yellow, but why is it orange? But this is an amazing shade. I normally do not dare to try an orange shade so strong, but I think it goes really well in my skin tone and the earthy shade kind of makeup. I would definitely go to work this way, or you can actually pair it with a nice black dress, and you can go for evening night out for that pop of color. So what do you think? I'm loving it. And we're left with two more shades, the more unique shades. I'll go on with the green one first. This is called the Lime Trifle. This is how it looks like. It's really shimmery and iridescent. I hope it looks good on the lips. So here goes. Oh my god, it does smell like a key lime pie. You see, certain parts are not like reaching full opacity, so I'm gonna do another layer. I've actually gone in with a few layers, as you can see, but it's not as fully intensive like the tube. I can still see like my underlying lip color. How I wish it was more opaque like the previous three colors. But it does smells a lot like a key lime pie, and I'm very hungry now. This is a more unique color. Of course, you will need to probably pair it with a bit more eyeliner or something. But I kind of like this look, and you know, I'm fine going out in weird lipstick colors. So, and it goes well in my hair. Okay, I'm gonna try the next one, the last one. Okay, last but not least, the blue one, which is Wild Berry Frosting. I'm actually very excited to try it because it's a very unique shade. But after the Key Lime Trifle shade, I'm kind of bringing my anticipation down a little. So I hope this one actually wows me. It's a shimmery blue. And I'll apply it now. It smells like berries. Looking good so far. Okay, Wild Berry Frosting is not disappointing at all. You get full opacity, and this shade is so rare. I doubt like you can find it in other makeup brands. I have not seen so, and I like that shimmer, that iridescent tone that it has. It's very mermaid, unicornish kind of shade. I think it'll go well with like dark blue, a bit black smoky eyes. It does go well this way as well. I mean, it still pairs my hair as well. And what do you think? Do you like it? Okay, so that's the 5 shades that I've got, and I hope you like it. But there is something more fun to these lip glosses. As I was shown at the MAC counter, you can actually mix them up, create special colors, more exotic smells, fragrances, and I'm gonna try it out now. So what I have here, this one is the sugar cookies again. So as you can see, it's the iridescent unicorn color. And of course, you will want to mix it up with the more playful colors like the blue and the green, which I'm gonna do so now. I'm gonna try it with the green. It's a pastel green tone, which is even more shimmery. I like this frosted look. It has a tinge of green, a bit brownish. Let me add a bit more. Okay, you can actually use a lip brush to mix up these colors. If you're like me using the stick, you better make sure you clean it up after you put it back into the tube to prevent mixture of the colors or fragrance. And so I like this. I think adding the key Lime Trifle to the sugar cookies actually give it a nice pastel shade. I think it will work the same as for the blue one, the wild berries. It will give it a pastel shimmery blue. So I'm gonna try the blue with a pink, which is this one, and see how the effect turn out. And blue. So this is the pink. Now I'm gonna add in the blue. Half half. And I'm gonna mix it together. Ooh. It's giving me a very nice purple. I kind of think of it, there isn't a purple shade in the 15 colors. So actually, yeah, adding blue to the pink range, the red range, will actually give you a very nice purple. At the counter, we actually swatched the Bowberry one with a red one. That was a very powerful purple, was like a grape purple. This is like a lavender-ish color. It still has that sheen. I like it. I think it's really fun. Like, not just the packaging is really colorful and fun. You can even create more fun this way. And smells good. So one more step for you guys. I bet you'll be asking whether it lasts and will it transfer. So let me change back to a tone. Let me use the, what's this called? Oh, strawberry mousse. Let me use the strawberry mousse and I'll try eating, drinking, and see whether it lasts. Okay, so now I have strawberry mousse on again. I've actually applied for like 10 minutes. I thought it might just set a little like matte lipsticks or something, but it's still lip gloss after all. You know, as I press my lips together, colors are still moving, it still runs a little. So it's not really that transfer proof because I still have colors here. And oops, if I were to have a drink, I bet the color will still transfer as well, which I'm still gonna try it out. Straw, cheers. There you go. Everywhere. But still leaves a very nice sheen of color. Not like it's totally gone. So the next challenge is eating. So what I have here is a donut from Krispy Kreme. It's my favorite donut, peanut butter flavor. Yeah, I actually bought it for the photo shoot. So I'm gonna take a bite and see if I still have any lip color left. So this is what's happened after the drink. Transferred. I'm just gonna have another bite. The color is still there. So, colors do get transferred onto the donut, but I still have a decent shade amount of colors here. So actually it's not that long lasting as matte lipsticks, but I like that there's still color around. Even after I wipe my lips, I still have that shimmer, that little bit of iridescent. I like it. But of course after applying, the whole fragrance of the lipstick is not as strong as you go throughout the day. And yeah, of course now I don't really smell it or even taste it at all. But I love the formula. It's very nice. It feels very comfortable on the lips. It's not thick and cream. It's not sticky like lip glosses. Like, you know, their lip glosses, you know how it feels like your hair will get stuck onto it. And it's not as drying as a matte lipstick or any lipsticks. So I would definitely get more colors of this. So if you want, the colors are already in all the M.A.C stores island-wide, and they are retailing at $33 each. So go ahead and grab yours. Bye!